Want to crochet this cute fried egg in just 5 minutes? Let's go! To start, make a slip knot and chain 2. Now work 6 single crochets into the second chain from your hook. For round 2, make 6 increase. That means put 2 single crochets in every stitch every round. Let's do a few increases together and you can finish the rest on your own at the end of the round. Don't forget to place your stitch marker in the very last stitch. To change the color smoothly, make one slip stitch into the next loop and pull the white yarn through. For round 3, we will alternate one single crochet and one increase. Let's do a couple of combinations together and then complete the round on your own. Don't forget to move your stitch marker to the last loop. For round 4, we need to make the egg white bigger. Work 2 single crochets, then make an increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Let's make the egg white even larger. Work 3 single crochets, then make an increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around. I will show you how one-way cycle works over 5 stitches. First, we make a single crochet, then a half double crochet, a double crochet, another half double crochet, and one more single crochet. Repeat this 5-stitch pattern 6 times until the end of the round. Cut the yarn and pull it through to fasten off. Now take a tapestry needle to hide the yarn tails on the back. Be sure to weave the yellow tail under the yellow stitches and the white tail under the white stitches. This keeps the back looking incredibly neat and clean. Your cute fried egg is completely finished. I have many more videos for beginners on my channel, so make sure to check them out. And thank you so much. I'd be really happy if you support me with a comment, a like or a subscription.